Welcome to English Learn with Zohan. Total question 15. Time 5 seconds each questions. Good luck. Subscribe now and never stop learning. Learn smart. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Question 1. Act to play the piano. Option B is the correct answer. Question 2. She completed her homework already. Option A is the correct answer. Question 3. They football every evening. Option C is the correct answer. Question 4. The baby crying loudly. Option A is the correct answer. Question 5. My brother the guitar well. Option D is the correct answer. Question 6. We him yesterday. Option B is the correct answer. Question 7. They home when I called. Option C is the correct answer. Question 8. I very tired after work. Option A is the correct answer. Question 9. He a doctor. Option D is the correct answer. Question 10. They their exams last week. Option B is the correct answer. Question 11. The train late. Option C is the correct answer. Question 12. My sister English very well. Option A is the correct answer. Question 13. We waiting for the bus. Option D is the correct answer. Question 14. I a great book recently. Option B is the correct answer. Question 15. She not feel well today? Option C is the correct answer.